All right, in an effort to help people learn from my mistakes, I want to bring up a couple things from my windshield install. So first of all, I had a leak here, and basically it was running down this A-pillar, and then I would see it come out here. And I put more of the sealant on the outside of the window, and that, you can only put so much, and it just didn't help. So what I ended up doing, and this is something that probably wouldn't work for some people that have the headliner in up at the top maybe, but for me, since I'm doing the one-piece headliner, I didn't have the headliner in, so I actually opened this back up and put more of the strip caulk, so this stuff here, into those channels. And then I had the same issue on the back window up here and right here. And again, I just pulled that back and put a little strip caulk, and I put it all the way in, like towards the outside of the window as I went along there. And that stopped the leaking. And really the leaks were pretty minor, but obviously you don't want any water in your car. The thing is the trim pieces. So I went ahead and put the trim pieces on. You kind of just put them on the clips and just slam them in. Now, the hard part is, so you start with the bottom, work your way to the sides, you get both sides on, and then you get these top pieces on. So you put this top piece on the driver's side, and you can see that slides into the piece that goes on the passenger side. So where I ran into issues is actually on the passenger side, this last piece. So I'm having a hard time getting it to line up right here. And also it's kind of sticking up. It's hard to see, but it's off of the trim right here. So it's not sitting exactly how I want it to. This is an aftermarket piece. These and these are aftermarket pieces. This was OEM. I was able to save this one. The other ones I had were pretty dented up and in bad shape. Now I tried putting the aftermarket piece on the bottom, and that's this guy here, and it did not line up like that one I just put on. So I'm pretty sure that's the same case with the top ones and why they're not lining up right. And I have yet to figure out what I'm going to do here to make this look better. I might end up buying a different set and just seeing if that works, but we'll see.